Hi everyone, and welcome to 1550 Brentano Boulevard. We are here in the family-oriented neighborhood of Lakeview, just nestled on the southeastern edge of the Mississauga and Toronto border, right along the shores of Lake Ontario. This home behind me has a fantastic center hall floor plan, 4 generously sized bedrooms, and a fully finished basement. The area is just fantastic. We are a stone's throw to top-rated schools in the community, golf, shopping, walking trails, the lake, and so much more. So come on in and let's go take a look.